MGS hybrid tooling is the proven way to shorten the time it takes to get your healthcare product to market. Traditional prototype tools may be fast, but they don't give you the critical learning like cooling, shrinkage, real tooling performance that you need to prepare for production tooling. MGS hybrid tooling works differently. We design our hybrid prototype tools not only to deliver high quality prototype fast, but to give you valuable insights for your future production molds that traditional prototype tools will not.
I've been working in medical device design for years, and the early phases are where you make the most critical decisions, but also the most expensive mistakes. The sooner you get real molded parts, the better your product becomes. Not 3D printed parts, but real parts with the right material, the right surface finish, and the right mechanical response. This gives a realistic indication of the performance of the device. It also helps in getting user feedback early on in the project, and that helps us to shape the product exactly to the needs of the end users.
What changed for me when working with MGS was first the quality of the parts. These aren't prototypes, approximations. They are actually really close to production equivalent parts. They're the same material, same process, same surface quality. And when you're holding the MGS hybrid tooling part, you're holding something that tells you exactly what your production part will be like. But what really shifted my thinking was the early supply involvement. Our tooling engineers were in our design reviews from day one, and that changed the questions you're asking. You're not just testing whether the part works, you're already testing whether the production tool would work. The gate position, cooling, ejection, parting lines, all of that is being stress tested while your design is still flexible enough to change. By the time you move to production tooling, our design hasn't just been validated functionally, it has been tested against real manufacturing realities and the learning transferred directly. There are no surprises. It fundamentally moved our design freeze earlier and gave us much more confidence going into clinical trials and production scale-up.